In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Bendigo Bank. So if you guys do not know Bendigo Bank, basically its full name is Bendigo and Adelaide Bank. I might have pronounced the words, incorrectly, but remember that I'm trying to go into Bendigo Bank, all right? So it's Australian financial institute operating primarily in retail banking, all right? So it's a retail bank which is working under the retail banking sector. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, it's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to search for Bendigo Bank. After you search for Bendigo Bank, you want to click on where it says log into e-banking because we want to log in into e-banking. And e-banking means internet banking, so don't get confused, alright? So once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now once you're over here, it's the official website of Bendigo Bank. You want to enter the access ID, the ID which is provided to you when you create your account, and the password of your account. After you do that, you want to enter a security code. Okay, so basically the security token is if you have it, you can enter it. If you don't have it, you can leave it empty. All right, so it's just like optional if needed. It says if needed. All right, so if you don't need it, you can leave it empty. Click on log on, and if the information you typed over here like your password access ID is correct, you should be able to log in into Bendigo Bank. All right, hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.